Okay, well, welcome to the demo for the VeteransWork website. I'd like to walk you through what we have so far. The first part we'd like to walk you through is the customer process. So after creating a customer, we should be able to sign in as a customer. And once we sign in as a customer, it will take us first to the customer's landing page right now, which shows the information that we have for a customer in terms of their email. And from here, a customer can do a couple things right now. One of the things that we can do as a customer is go and post a customer request. So this will take us here to this customer request form where a customer can put in this information. Let's go ahead. And here they can give information, what they need completed. And they can set the expiration date for the request. So we'll go put it out a little ways. And then here they can select the type of work that they'd like done. So we'll take painting, and go ahead and submit that. And once they do that, the customer request should be submitted, and any companies should be able to that are able to perform that particular service. So in this case, painting. Any companies that can do painting should be able to see that request. So from here, we'll go to the next thing that a customer can do. A customer should be able to see some quotes from companies. So we'll go to the quotes page for this customer. So here are some of the customer requests we've previously created here. And as you can see, it gives the information from the quote that was created by a company, which we'll show you in a little bit. But this is the information that a customer will see, and we'll add some features in the future that will allow the customer to accept or decline these quotes and to see them in more detail. So let's take you back. And the last thing that a customer can do right now, we can go ahead and leave a company review. So they can go to any of the companies that they've worked with, and they can leave them a rating, and they can leave them any review that they'd like to. So right now, that's the functionality that we have for a customer to be able to log in and to be able to post customer requests, to view any quotes that companies have created based on those customer requests, and they can leave company reviews. So we'll go over and we'll jump now over to what a company can do so far. So let's log in. Okay. So when a company logs in, they're taken to their landing page right now, which shows any customer requests that they qualify for. So in this case, they have to have the customer service. They have to provide the customer service that the customer requested. So in this case, these ones are painting, and this company does painting work. So these customer requests show up here. You can also see some detailed information here. The distance shows the distance from the customer to the company. So if companies will set a radius of service, and if the request falls within that service radius, it will also show up here so the company can see it. So a company can go in and see the detail related to that request, and the company can go ahead and produce a new quote for that. And the first thing they would do is drop in their material cost estimate, so $500, and a labor cost estimate they throw in, start date, and completion date, or you can use this. Okay. And they can put in any notes. So they should be able to create that new request, and then that quote should then go back, and the customer should be able to see that particular quote. So the next thing that I guess we can show you is we can show you the the sign-up process. So a company would come here, they'd fill out all this information on this form here in order to create their company login. And we have a very similar thing for a customer. Oops, I'm sorry. A customer will go here to sign up. Easy enough to set up with an email and a password. So right now, that's all the functionality that we have going in this app.